How to compress PDF file size without losing quality. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can reduce PDF size. So in order to reduce the PDF size, first of all, you need to use a third-party application. So for that, open up the browser and then on the web address bar, you'll need to type in adobe.com. This is going to take you to the official website of adobe.com. So don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. While you're on this page, you can see right on top you have this PDF and e-signature. You do not need to create an account. If you want to use it regularly, then you can go ahead and sign in, or you can go ahead and sign up. If you're using it for 1 or 2 times, you do not need to create an account. After you tap on the option, you'll be able to see multiple options right over here. You'll need to head over to the section of online tools. Underneath, click on compress PDF. After you tap on compress PDF, it's going to ask you to select the folder or the file. So click on select file. After that, you need to open up the file where you've actually stored the PDF. Now let's go with this one. Now it's going to ask you to select either one of it, whether you want to do it in a high quality, medium or low. You can also see the estimated size as well, so select accordingly. Click on the compress button if you're sure about it, and it's going to take a while, maybe a second, and after that you've successfully compressed your file. So in order to access the file, now head back to the same page and you'll be able to see a compressed folder. So in this way you can compress your PDF file. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.